Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Zoom on Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Apps. Now click on Installed Apps. Now here find out Zoom. So here guys you will see two options, Zoom and Zoom Outlook plugin. So if you want to uninstall Zoom application, so three dot and click on Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. And also guys, if you don't need, so you can uninstall Zoom related plugin. In my case I have Zoom Outlook plugin, so click on three dot and uninstall. And that's it. So like this guys, you can uninstall Zoom from your PC. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.